That was fire. Hey, that was fire.
That was fire.
Yeah.
That was gas. Yeah.
Caution, now we don't take that risk.
Zange bangifise lokudla umakhelwane bami manje ngiyaphumelela phambi kwezitha zami Zange bangifise lokudla umakhelwane bami manje ngiyaphumelela phambi kwezitha zami Bathi ngiyaziphakamisa mabebona mina ngizama Ngivuke ekuseni ngizama impilo ngoba likhwela mahala Thula mama ngisayophanda ngifuna imali igcwala izandla Imali eningi ngisabawela impumelelo ihamba nesaka Umakhelwane nababekubiza bathi isibane ngapha siyangidinga Mithandazo yakhe ingangisiza Upholami ukuthi ngiyofika Makhelwane nababengibiza bathi isibane ngapha siyangidinga Mithandazo yakhe ingangisiza Upholami ukuthi ngiyofika Zange bangifise lokudla umakhelwane bami Manje ngiyaphumelela phambi kwezitha zami
Yeah, kade bengikhuluma lesilonda besithunuka but I didn't pay attention ngabhala Cause I had a mission yokuvala imilo sebebambe ngezansi imilo sebebona bengabeki imibuko senginamandla ngempela nguSamsung yeah, I'm making money moves bangakhona angani basadlala inzondo I'm here ngenze running chase idol ngapha nginkalakata ngifuza umandoza babecathi ngeze sifike sami nami isikhathi changes of time soze zangiphuma phansi yafunga nasi beka itafula phambi kwezitha zami
Zange bangifise lokudla umakhelwane bami Manje ngiyaphumelela phambi kwezitha zami
Abavumi impumelelo yami abayifuni namanvumi umeze endabeni zami abaphumi kanti nenzeni kangaka nathumela hili benu niyaxaka nizamuvala impumelelo yami izofika nizophathwa maphika zoboba It's too late, baby, it's too late No way, baby, it's too late
Zange bangifise lokudla umakhelwane